Welcome to MKD Crimes. Daytime Scouter, a bold yard inspection. In broad daylight, a man casually wanders onto someone's parking pad and starts eyeing their yard like he's planning a return visit. Just taking in the scenery or something more suspicious? Watch and see for yourself.
You're fully on camera.
Late night flashlight duo, neighborhood patrol, or something sinister. Caught on camera. Two men with a flashlight strolling through the neighborhood at night, peering into parked car windows, and even walking into a driveway to check out someone's window. Just curious, or up to no good. Watch this eerie nighttime encounter unfold. "4 a.m. car door checkers, thieves on the hunt, early morning mischief, caught on camera." Watch as these sneaky individuals go from car to car at 4 a.m., testing doors to see if they can score an easy grab. A stark reminder to always lock your vehicles and stay alert. Census taker or something else. Late night door knob mystery. Captured on camera. A man resembling a census taker shows up after dark, knocking on the door and even testing the doorknob. Was he there on official business or something more suspicious? Watch and decide for yourself.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Hello?
"1 a.m. break-in, van ransacked in driveway caught on camera." An unknown person breaks into a van parked in a driveway just after 1 a.m. After rummaging through the vehicle, they make a quick getaway. A chilling reminder to secure your vehicles, even at home. Attempted car theft with getaway driver. A bold attempt to steal someone's car is caught on camera. The suspect, working quickly, has an accomplice waiting in a white car nearby, ready to make a swift getaway. Watch how this daring duo was nearly successful. Brazen mailbox thieves caught in the act. 2 men were caught on camera attempting to break into a garage before targeting the neighborhood mailboxes. While one kept watch, the other pried open a woman's mailbox. She yelled at them, prompting them to walk away, but she wisely avoided a direct engagement. Watch this unsettling encounter unfold.
All right. Sorry. My brother, let's go. Good morning, baby.
Woman pepper sprays dogs behind fence. Angry confrontation ensues. A woman walking down the street with 2 friends takes matters into her own hands when she pepper sprays barking dogs behind a fence. Afterward, one of her friends stays behind to knock on the owner's doors and inform them of the incident. Watch the tension unfold in this dramatic situation.
Bitch, the fuck wrong? Bitch, shut up. I'm getting tired of you. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. The fuck up. Shut up. Look at him. Thank you. You're welcome.
Porch pirate snatches Dave the Minion at 1 a.m. In the dead of night, a bold porch pirate strikes, stealing a beloved Dave the Minion decoration right off someone's porch. Caught on camera, this brazen theft will leave you shaking your head, because who steals a minion? Nighttime thief destroys security camera after being spotted. Caught in the act. A masked thief sneaks into a driveway under the cover of darkness, only to realize he's on camera. Watch as he reacts quickly, breaking the security camera before fleeing. A bold, but ultimately futile attempt at covering his tracks. Midnight car thieves destroyed door handle in failed break-in. It's that time of year again. Stay vigilant and lock your doors. Around midnight, 2 men in black hoodies and Adidas pants were caught on camera attempting to break into a car, even though the vehicle was locked. That didn't stop them from ripping off the door handle in their destructive attempt to steal it. A close call that serves as a strong reminder to secure your belongings. Caught on camera, late night car door check. A late night prowler is caught on camera attempting to open car doors in a quiet neighborhood. Stay alert and keep your vehicles locked. This serves as another reminder of the importance of security, especially after dark. Package. Thief caught pretending to deliver. Watch as this bold thief pretends to deliver a package, even taking a photo as proof, only to slip the package into her bag and walk away. A clever trick, but no match for the watchful eye of security cameras. Dog walker caught vandalizing lawn sign. This dog walker took a stroll with a side of spite. Watch as he passes by a house, notices a lawn sign he disagrees with, and knocks it down on purpose. Even the dog looks unimpressed by this late night political statement. Late night trespasser caught checking backyard storages. A bold trespasser is caught on camera, sneaking into multiple backyards under the cover of darkness. Watch as he prowls around, checking storage areas and searching for who knows what. Lock your gates and stay alert. Thank you for joining us on another riveting journey into the world of real crime. Stay safe and always keep an eye out.